Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel Twinkling Stars Astro. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel and get updated with all my videos the moment I upload them. This is the channel of Occult Sciences, where you get the monthly predictions, the weekly predictions about your careers, your relationships, and everything what you desire of, right? You can post your suggestions below into the comment box so that I can improvise with my videos and can take the suggestions from you as well. All right, this is a general reading, so if it doesn't resonate with you, it's okay. Don't worry, nothing to worry about. Don't get so hard pressed on yourself that why it doesn't resonated with you, might not be the message for you. All right, and rest of the information is given below in the description box. Kindly see it. So let's begin. So let's see, what do we have for our beautiful Librans this week. In the Holy Spirit of all God, Goddesses, my dear angels, what is the message for my lovely Librans this week? What is the message for my lovely Librans this week? Okay. All right. Message for the Libras. Message for the Libras. Okay. Message for the Libras. Message for the Libras for this week. Okay. What is the challenge for the Libras this week? What is the challenge for the Libra? All right. And what is the way of overcoming the challenge? What is the way of overcoming the challenge for this week? All right. What is the final outcome? What is the final outcome for the Libra for this week? What is the final outcome for the Libra this week? Okay. All right. All right, Librans, at the bottom of the deck, I have the 5 of Wands. So Libra is fighting with something this week. What is that, Libra? What you guys are fighting with? Your inner thoughts or with the people around you? There's something you're conflicted with. Maybe your own thoughts or maybe the people around you. Maybe you're juggling with something to decide on to, but you're not able to decide, right? So let's see, what do we have ahead? Okay, if I talk about your health, Libra, this week, health is not that good with the Moon card. With the Moon card, some sudden health issue may erupt to you. It could be anything, so take care of the health. All right, and stay away from the cold things as much as possible. All right, because something can erupt all of a sudden. All right, and I'm seeing lots of anxiety, lots of stress for you this week. I don't know the reason, right? But maybe you're conflicted because of something, having the 5 of Wands under the deck. All right, coming towards your finances. Finances, you need to work hard this week for your finances with the 8 of Pentacles. All right, if you work hard, then of course your finances, if you plan your finances well for this week, then the finances will remain stable. All right, coming towards your workplace. All right, you're getting a new opportunity this week, Libra. Something is coming to you, maybe a new project, or maybe you're leaving the old job, or a new opportunity is coming to you, or it's already on your door. All right, so you need to see that what is coming across to you with this Ace of Wands. All right, so a new opportunity is there, so congratulations if you are bestowing a new job for this week. All right, coming towards your relationship, wow, a beautiful 2 of Cups. That means a proposal is coming to you, or you are already in a soulmate relationship. So on the relationship front, it's very beautiful, it's very nice, nothing to worry about. All right, it's a good to go time for this week. All right, so talking about the challenge for this week is the 10 of Swords. You might get backstabbed by somebody. Somebody may cheat you, somebody may backstab you onto something, it could be anything, maybe at your workplace or maybe your partner, all right, or maybe, your health, health sometimes do backstab you. We feel that we are fine, but something suddenly happens and then the things go out of the hand, all right. So challenges for that, all right. How you can overcome this challenge is with the help of 4 of Wands, right. You need to leave that anxiety out of your head. You need to remove that anxiety, that stress, that why it's happening, why it's not happening. Visit to a doctor. I know it's not safe these days, but then sitting back home and just watching the things happening with your health is also not a good solution, all right. So visit to a doctor, all right. That is the best way. And the solution, if I see, if it's a problem at the workplace or at your relationship, just think one thing, that this is destined to happen. This is something which is a karmic lesson coming towards to you, which has to happen, which was destined to happen, all right. So nothing to get jittery about. Time will pass, okay, this shall too pass by, all right. So something is coming across to you for this week to handle hard, all right. So be prepared for that, all right. So for your final outcome, you have 6 of Pentacles and the 5 of Swords, all right. You need to balance up the things, Libra. Libra is all about balancing, right? The scales as the sign of the Libras is all about balancing. Libras are very balanced people, what I see, right? So you have to restore the same balance this week, Libra. With this 6 of Cups, you're seeing at the one side of the story but not at the another side, all right. It could be in any of the situation, be it your career, your workplace, or your relationships, all right. So you need to see both the sides and make the situation balance. And instead of fighting with others and instead of getting dominated, others with this 5 of Swords, you need to balance the situation, all right. You need to actually pacify the situation with creating the balance into it, all right. So that is the final outcome for you for this week, all right. Let's see what my oracles has a message for you. What messages do we have for my Libra this week? What messages do we have for my Libra this week? What messages do we have for my Libra this week? What messages do we have for my Libra? What messages do we have for the Libra this week? All right, the answers you need are coming, Libra. Create the balance and the answers will come to you, because the universe wants to give you the answer, but because of this disbalance you have created the answer is not coming. See, at the bottom of the deck, you are good enough, Libra. You know how to balance the things. Libra is some is I like, if I say like to create the balance is the foremost trait of Libra, right, which you have actually getting missed at this moment, right. So you're good enough for yourself to recreate that balance, all right. And then with creating that balance, like if I make you see, if you create that balance, your answers are coming towards you, all right. Your answers are coming towards to you. So balancing is the requirement of this week, all right. So let me have the final message for you from the universe. What is the final message for my Libras for this week? What is the final message for my Libras this week? What is the final message for my Libras this week? What is the final message for my Libras this week? All right. Oh wow, what a beautiful card. Dhanvantri, the god of medicine. See, you're not taking care of the health, and then the god of the medicine himself appeared to help you, all right. So the blessings for you for this week is freedom from disease, greater health and well-being, mastery of the medical sciences, spiritual knowledge and liberation, all right. So you need to take care of the health, what I'm getting. Though the God of medicine itself, himself has come to show that, take care of your health this week. You might need the medicines, right? And if you take them, if you take the right, consult from the doctor, I will be there to help you. Medicines would be there to help you. I myself would be there to help you, all right? So the final message from the pray for you Librans for this week is, I offer homage to Dhanvantri, the portion of Vishnu who initiated the practice of medicine. He holds a container full of ambrosia, and simply remembering his removes all physical suffering. All right, so that was your final message, Libra. I hope this resonated with you. Do leave a comment into the comment section box whether it's resonated with you or not. All right. All right, thank you so much. God bless. Bye.